Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So we will learn some idioms and phrasal verbs in this video. So first one is beat the clock, and its meaning is to take action or finish a task before a deadline. And the second way is perform a task quickly or within a fixed time limit. Let's have an example. Those who fail to beat the clock will be discounted from the race. So next one is beat around the bush, and its meaning is to speak vaguely so as to avoid talking directly about an unpleasant or sensitive topic. And the another way is to avoid answering a question and to waste time. Let's an example. Don't beat around the bush and tell me frankly what you think of my proposition. So next one is of the first water, and its meaning is of the best quality or having the utmost skill or value or of the finest quality. Let's an example. The restaurant is renowned for serving food of the first water. The best example is the brilliance of a diamond is called its water. Diamonds of the first water are of very high quality. So next one is come into bloom, and its meaning is to blossom as of a flower, tree or other such plant. Let's an example. Look at the roses are just coming into bloom. And the next one is what time of year do these plants come into bloom? So next one is come under fire, and its meaning is to be subject to intense criticism or judgment. And the next way is to be shot at. Let's an example. The company has come under fire for using child labor overseas. And the next example, the troops were coming under fire from the rear. So next one is drop in the bucket, and its meaning is a tiny amount, especially when compared to a much larger one. And the another way, an insignificant contribution towards solving a large problem. Let's an example. That's a drop in the bucket compared with the knowledge stored in the world's library. So the next one is calm before the storm, and its meaning is a quiet or peaceful period before a period during which there is great activity, argument or difficulty. And the another way is likened to a literal period of calm before a storm begins. Let's an example. I like to get everything done before the guests arrive and relax for a moment in the calm before the storm. So the next one is mug up, and its meaning is to learn something, especially in a short time for a particular purpose, or to study intensively as for an examination, or to work up by study. Let's an example. You just need to mug up a few details. So the next one is 0 in 1, and its meaning is to aim something such as gun or camera directly at someone or something. And the next way is to direct all of one's attention to someone or something. Let's an example. The gunner zeroed in on the target. And the next one is scientists are hoping to zero in on a cure. So the next one is while away, and its meaning is to spend time doing something easy, pleasant or in a carefree manner. A noun or pronoun can be used between while and away. Let's an example. We whiled away the afternoon with a walk around the garden. And the last one is lord it over, and its meaning is to act in a way that shows one thinks one is better or more important than someone. Let's an example. She knows she is very smart and lords it over her younger brother. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will useful for you.